Okay, there's a brand new gaming TWS in the house and this one is actually very interesting. So this is TAGG's all new Rogue 500 GT gaming TWS, and as you've seen during the intro part guys, it's got like full on RGB lighting on board. This is India's first gaming TWS that actually packs like pulse RGB lighting, and on top of that it's got like ultra low latency of only around 42 milliseconds. So gamers are gonna be like quite hooked on to this one, especially people who play a lot of PUBG or BGMI, these sort of stuff. You people are gonna enjoy watching this video. And by the way, the video is sponsored by the brand, so a big thank you to them. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So our brand new gaming TWS from TAGG come in this sort of box packaging. Model we'll be checking out today is Rogue 500 GT, and we have a picture of the product on the front. And look at this guys, TAGG has gone like full RGB loaded on this particular product, and I'm like super excited to unbox and show it to you in this video. It's got lots of gaming related features and I'm pretty sure gamers are gonna have a lot of fun watching this video. Let me just quickly tear this outer packaging and then we'll talk about all of its main highlights and features. So there you go. On the front side guys, you got the TAGG branding, and main highlight of this thing is it's got a very low latency of only around 42 milliseconds, so you'll get to experience like real-time audio while you're playing. That is the main highlight. And at the back side it also has some other features, like it offers a 360-degree surround sound experience, has 9 different RGB lighting effects, has Type-C quick charging, it's IP55 dust and water resistant, low latency, and basically there's a dedicated gaming mode as well. That's it. Now let's get started with the unboxing. So outer cover slides out like this, and on the inside this is the main box. And look at this, very good packaging. You got a picture of Rohit Sharma over here, and at the top we've got a small accessory box which includes all the paperwork like user manual and stuff. Just make sure to read this to get complete information on how to use the TWS. Keeping that aside, there you go, our first look at this brand new gaming TWS from TAGG. And oh boy, holy smokes, look at that RGB lighting guys. Beautiful, right? We'll just come back to this in a moment. Along with that, in the package you get a Type-C cable for charging the TWS and some extra pair of ear tips in different sizes. And that is it. These are all the stuff we got in the package. Now let's have a closer look at the product and let me show you the design and build quality of this thing. There you go, Rogue 500 GT from TAGG in the hand, and as soon as you open the case, RGB lighting on this thing just pops up guys. And look at this. Initial impressions, case looks very beautiful. Love the whole RGB theme on it. Gives a futuristic RGB sort of vibe guys. Definitely gamers are gonna connect with this thing. You've got a lot of RGB zones over here. You've got RGB at the top, to the side, at the back. My god, and best part is all of it is customizable. Build quality of the case also looks good. Entire body made of polycarbonate. Here's your Type-C port for charging, and that is it guys. Let me just open it up and show you how the actual TWS look like. There you go, Rogue 500 GT in the case. Let me just take it out and show you. So I believe it's only available in black color for now. Anyways, there you go, first look at the TWS. And boy, it's actually quite lightweight. Each of them weigh only around like 4.9 grams. And if you talk about the design, it's got a complete matte black finishing guys, with the TAGG Rogue series branding over here. And both of these are touch areas guys. You can use them to control a lot of functions on the TWS. Quality of these ear tips is also nice, feels soft and durable. And talking about the mics, they've got 4 microphones on board, and let me just remove the sticker. These are your charging contacts, and once you peel off these and put it in the case, these activate and start charging. So basically that is it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set them up, use them for some time, and then we'll talk about the comfort and gaming experience on this thing. Alright, I'm back to continue the video. Now let me share you my experience and feedback with these TWS. First, let's talk about the comfort. So these gaming TWS are like super lightweight guys. Each of them weigh only around like 4.9 grams and feel very comfortable when you put on them. Even if you do like long sessions of gaming also, not an issue at all. You'll be like very comfortable and quite happy with the experience. Noise isolation was also good, and on top of that, these are also IP55 dust and water resistant, right? So you don't even need to worry about sweat getting over there. Now moving on, let's talk about the audio quality. First of all, keep in mind that these are gaming TWS, so they're a bit different than your audiophile category TWS. The Rogue 500 GT featured 10mm drivers on board, and sound quality was actually pretty good at this price point. Mids felt crisp and clear, and I could easily understand all the dialogues in game, not an issue at all. And treble quality was also fine. Coming to bass, Bass was actually very good on this thing. It was producing punchy bass, and in fact, these TWS have a special bass mode to enhance these low frequency sounds, and especially while playing games like BGMI, sound effects like gun firing and bomb blastings were quite impressive. Sound stage was also wide, so you can easily track the direction of enemy footsteps while playing. And overall, guys, I was quite happy with the gaming experience. And best part is the latency. It's got ultra low latency of only around 42 milliseconds, and during my usage, I didn't feel any sort of audio lag while playing. Everything was happening spontaneous and almost in real time, guys. So good job done by TAGG. Only thing I felt is audio output was a bit less. So most of the time I had to use these TWS at 95% or max volume level. And also forgot to talk about the mic. It's got 4 microphones on board with ENC, and microphone quality was also nice. The other person could easily understand what I was speaking, so great for voice chats in games. Wait a second, we didn't talk about the RGB lighting, right? So Rogue 500 GT has like a beautiful pulse RGB lighting on the case and has like fully customizable lighting effects. There's actually like a dedicated RGB lighting button inside the case, and by pressing this you can toggle through like 9 different lighting modes. And let me tell you, RGB lighting on this thing is like beautiful. It's got like 4 RGB zones on it, at the top, to the side, at the front. I'm definitely telling you, right, it's a head turner, and people are gonna ask you about this particular product. Okay, we're almost coming to an end, so let me tell you about the battery life. Initially, I was a bit skeptical because these are gaming TWS, right? And on top of that, it's like loaded with RGB lighting. How would the battery life be? But nothing like that. During my usage, I felt battery life was actually pretty decent on this thing. On an average now, roughly, you can easily expect around like 16 to 17 hours of total battery life per charge. And on top of that, it's got like fast Type-C charging, right? So 10-minute charge will easily give you around like 1 hour of playtime. So that is it, our video on TAGG's brand new gaming TWS, the Rogue 500 GT. Very good TWS at this price point, and best part is that RGB lighting, guys, killer looks, I'd say. And also you're having like very low latency, right? Only 42 milliseconds, and battery life is also pretty decent. Talking about the price, see, the usual sale price is going to be somewhere around 2,399 rupees, but TAGG is actually having like a special sale price right now during the launch, and they're selling it for only around like 1999 rupees. Links for it will be in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that's it. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and got to know everything. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.